Oh, oh, okay. We are talking about countries. Coming up. Hello, my friend. My name is Claire, and I'm here to teach you French with a smile. Today, the big enigma is going to be revealed. Some countries in French are feminine and some countries are masculine, and the preposition before these countries are going to be different according to their gender. Let's start. China, la Chine. How do you say France? La France. The feminine countries. I live in France. J'habite en Simple, right? Now, let's move to masculine countries like Lebanon and Portugal. Lebanon is le Liban. Portugal is le Portugal. Encore une fois. Now, how do you say I live in Lebanon? J'habite au Liban. If it's Portugal, j'habite au Portugal. Same thing. Now, some countries are even a little bit different because they are masculine but plural, like the United States. Masculine, plural. I live in the US. J'habite aux États. Let's practice. J'habite en France. Very good. So now you know. Countries, when they are feminine, it is en. When they are masculine, it is au. And when they are masculine plural, it is O with an X. Now, be very careful because when you talk about countries in other situations, for instance, I love one country or another. It's very different than saying I live in one country or in another. And here we are going to use a déterminant before the country, which is going to be la for the feminine, le for the masculine, and you guessed it, les for the masculine plural. For instance, to love. États-Unis. And you know what? I love you, my student. See you soon. And if you want a one-to-one lesson with me, the link is below. Bye-bye.